I want to invite you into an exploration of that place where we're at right now in this world, where we're coming to a place of needing to face the deep dissonance between the masculine and the feminine in us. When I'm speaking about radical compassion, I'm speaking about that compassion that basically is going to bring us back into the deep rooting, into the rooting into that feminine, which I can refer to as matter, as your body, as the ground, as the earth. And also, of course, inside of that, the deeper invitation into the very wisdom of being itself is so infinitely present, because that opening of the ground is also what reconnects us back to that source of wisdom, which practically speaking is the only safety we will ever find. That return to our wholeness, it is based on that invitation to that radical compassion, and it's an exploration which deeply brings us towards the full owning of our state of being, towards the sovereignty, towards the deepest human qualities, which of course includes compassion, but which also holds so many other aspects of our being and of our deeper potential, basically. We have a lot of ground to cover. I look very much forward to let you feel into the direct meeting with the force of creation, and inside of that to also feel and touch deep base with the true nature which lies behind of us in that balance between the inner masculine and feminine. It is deeply obvious in this time that the incoherence between these different aspects of being, whether be it masculine or feminine, that there is a basic war going on. And it is through the dissolution of this inner dissonance that we can bring this world into a better place. And of course, this is an individual process, but through the individual, it is a deeply collective process as well. And I will be very happy to discuss this further and deeper with you, and to give you a deeper exploration also into the deeper feeling of that regaining of the feet into the ground, deeply into the center. And also to taste what it means in terms of what we need to meet for that rebalancing to take place, and for that inner marriage to actually shine through into our surroundings, so that there is an endless and definite, at the same time, occurrence of harmony. Yeah. So that is basically what I look forward to explore with you, whether you come to visit or watch the replay.